All right, so I'm going to show you, using this blonde wig for contrast, how to use the hair sausage that you have made using either your own hair or synthetic hair up front. So, here we are. So, you're going to take a section of hair, okay? And what I like to do is I like to roll the hair over and start that, and then I start rolling down. This is what works for me. And then start spreading it. Okay. So as you are rolling on your own hair, you are going to start spreading over that sausage roll. Okay. And you're going to want to put a pin through the front, and you're going to want to get it close to the scalp. Try to get some hair. Obviously, you want to make sure you have a good anchor in there. And then on the back, you're not going to be able to see the back if you're doing it on your own hair, and this is where it gets tricky, at least for me. So you're going to want to pin it through on the back. Okay. Now it's pinned through on the back, and cover that roll. Okay, so you are going to conceal that sausage roll in the back by pushing it down gently, not too hard because you don't want to mess up your hair. And then shape it around the front. So that's basically the gist of it. So this is the hair form, and if it were the same color as this wig, it would blend in very nicely, and it gives a very nice finished look, and it's super quick, super easy. And I also like that you can do this on wet hair and get that vintagey look without working super hard for it when you have just freshly washed your hair, because as we all know, curls, any vintage look, it is so much easier when your hair is 2 or 3 days unwashed. So I hope that you found this helpful and useful. So thank you so much for watching.